Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting. The iPhone SE 4 2025. Apple's budget-friendly powerhouse is back, and it's packing some serious upgrades. Whether you're a fan of the SE series or just curious about what's new, this video has got you covered. Let's jump right in. Design and display. First up, let's talk about the design. The iPhone SE 4 2025 brings a fresh look to the SE lineup. Say goodbye to the classic home button design. This time, Apple has embraced a modern edge-to-edge display with a notch. The phone features a 6-star 1-inch liquid Retina HD display, making it the largest screen ever on an SE model. The bezels are slimmer, and the overall design feels more in line with the iPhone 15 series. It's still compact and easy to handle, but now with more screen real estate for your apps, games, and videos. Honestly, this is the design upgrade SE fans have been waiting for. It's sleek, modern, and finally feels like a true 20 smartphone. But 2. Performance and chipset. Under the hood, the iPhone SE 4 is powered by Apple's latest A18 Bionic chip. Yes, you heard that right. The same chipset found in the flagship iPhone 16 series. This means you're getting top-tier performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing videos. The A18 Bionic also brings improved energy efficiency, so you can expect better battery life compared to previous SE models. And with 5G support, you're future-proofed for the next few years. Games run buttery smooth, and apps load in the blink of an eye. This little phone is a powerhouse! The camera upgrades. Now let's talk about the camera. The iPhone SE 4 2025 features a single 12-MP rear camera. But don't let that fool you. It's been significantly upgraded. With larger sensors and improved computational photography, this camera delivers stunning photos and videos, even in low light. You also get features like night mode, deep fusion, and smart HDR4. And for the first time on an SE model, there's cinematic mode for recording videos with that beautiful depth of field effect. Whether you're snapping pics of your pets or recording your next TikTok, this camera won't disappoint. It's a huge step up from the SE 3 for battery life and charging. Battery life has always been a concern with the SE series, but the iPhone SE 4 2025 addresses that. Thanks to the A18 Bionic chip's efficiency and a larger battery, you can expect all-day battery life with moderate use. And yes, it supports MagSafe. That means you can use all those cool MagSafe accessories like chargers, wallets, and cases. Wireless charging is also faster, and you still get Lightning port charging. Though rumors suggest this might be the last SE model to keep it MagSafe on an SE, it's a game changer. Finally, Apple is bringing premium features to the budget lineup. Software and price. The iPhone SE 4 2025 will launch with iOS 19, bringing all the latest features and security updates. You'll also get access to Apple's ecosystem, including iCloud, Apple Music, and Fitness Plus. Now let's talk about the price. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to start at $499 for the base model with 128 GB of storage. That's incredible value for a phone with this level of performance and features. At this price, the iPhone SE 4 is a steal. It's perfect for anyone who wants a no-compromise iPhone experience without breaking the bank. So there you have it, the iPhone SE 4 2025. With its modern design, powerful performance, and upgraded camera, it's shaping up to be the best SE model yet. If you've been holding on to an older iPhone, this might be the perfect time to upgrade. What do you think of the iPhone SE 4? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.